How to disable spelling and grammar check in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs document where you want to turn off spelling and grammar checking. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner to open more options. Then, tap Spell Check from the list. In the Spell Check menu, you will see options like Ignore, Accept, and in the three-dot menu, you can find Ignore All and Accept All. While there isn't an option to completely disable spelling and grammar check, you can manually ignore all suggestions to reduce the underlines and notifications. This helps to keep your document looking clean without constant correction prompts. And that's it. Now you know how to manage spelling and grammar suggestions in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.